away. I don't know how the fuck to start this. But I've acquired this project car. Fuck, this is weird, eh? Yeah, basically, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's a poverty spec EJ9 Honda Civic from 1999. She's rough on the outside and mint on the inside, but proper poverty spec. And from what I can tell, she's had a ding on the like near side rear, so gonna have to look into that. But yeah, let me show you around, and then we can get into some bits. So where should we start? We can go from here, I guess. Roof, everything is all mint, paint's a bit scratched and stuff, as you can expect from a car from 1999. So that's what most of this project's gonna be about, really. So here we've got a bit of paint, like clear lacquer peel, and here pretty much all the way up until here somewhere on the bumper, on the back. And then this is the side that I was saying has been buggered, because as you can see, the two lines there, this and this is like a bit rough compared to that, but this side has been repaired, and a very poor job. Oh, the light's not so good, yeah. Anyway, yeah, so along here, this bit mainly, you can see like sanding lines, which I'll include from when I wash the car. Point, yeah, nothing major really along there. The brakes are shot when I drove it home. Yeah, so, and then just like general lacquer peel most of the way along this car. There is a few scratches, don't know if you can see that there. And then this side of the car here has been properly dinged, so I'm either going to need to get a new bumper or change the bumper for a different one, which would be nicer, like an aero kit or something. But I have no idea about Hondas or anything. Well, I know a bit about other shit, but not Hondas really. Like, I don't know too much about bumpers, and which you can swap with EJ and EK and all that sort of shenanigans. But anyway, under the hood we have a 1.4 litre, I don't know, 60-70 horsepower engine. Yeah, it was leaking. I cleaned it up a bit, but the rocker cover or valve cover or whatever you want to call it is leaking. Probably seal's just gone, but it runs all good. So that's that. Yeah, so that's pretty much the only bits on the outside. And then there is quite a major ding here, a little scratch, as you can see there, and it goes all the way along the back and over the back that was repaired. But yeah, that's pretty much that. So we'll need to figure all of this out at some point. Inside the car is the best part. There's the paint color, but this is the interior. It is super clean, but yeah, and I've been doing a little bit, so that's that. This car was a write-off and was gonna get sent to the graveyard of wherever cars go to the graveyard, and yeah, so I'm hoping to resurrect it basically and make it either just nice and stock again, stock standard, or depending on what happens and yeah, what decisions are made really. I don't know, we could just make it a little project or something. Sweet. We have an exhaust leak. I don't know what's cooking. Someone put a whole new exhaust. $98. Don't know if it was ever used. Holy shit. That is the crash bar back in. Solid, so that bolt there, that one there, on both sides. For some reason still water in the boot, but if anyone knows that spot, seems like it's coming from here, back corner somewhere, but I need to take all of this out. So let's put it back together. Okay, so we're gonna have to clean all this up, all this it's like exhaust sealer that's been used, and that's why it was blowing. So I need to clean all this up first, and then this one doesn't have, and then we'll get the exhaust back in.